Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, we will be making a coffee and lemon juice drink which is going to help you lose weight, cut down your belly fat and also reduce your waistline. We need two ingredients for this drink. First one, coffee. Second one, a lemon. I'm using a coffee pod. You can use instant coffee or whatever is available for you. But just make sure it's made from roasted coffee beans. Please do not use decaffeinated coffee in this case. So let's start the process by cutting the ends of the lemon. And then I'm gonna cut this lemon into half because we'll be using only half because it's a big lemon. So I'll cut this into half and then also cut this half into another half so that it's easier for me to squeeze and get the most of it. I'm trying to squeeze this into a bowl so that it'll be easier for me to not to battle with the seeds. Alright, this is the second one. Now I'm going to take this juice, try to separate the seeds and get 2 full spoons of this delicious lemon juice. This looks so good. So let's give it a nice and a good stir. We'll stir it so that it mixes well. Alright, it is ready. Drink this every day for awesome results. Coffee and lemon are going to break down the stored fat and provide you energy throughout the day. You can eat small meals throughout the day, but do not carb load or fat load while drinking this special drink. Lemon and coffee are high in antioxidants. But what other benefits do they have? Let's start with coffee. Coffee has caffeine and chlorogenic acid that helps in fighting cancers like liver, prostate, endometrial, breast, and gastrointestinal cancers. Coffee has been associated with a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes, heart and liver disease, as well as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Lemons are a great source of vitamin C and flavonoids, both of which act as powerful antioxidants and flush out toxins. Vitamin C protects your immune system and helps fight infections. Vitamin C also protects from stomach, esophagus, pancreas, and breast cancer.